Hi guys, today we are making delicious party jollof rice without no butter. Guys, watch this video to the end and see how I make this food. So this is the oil I used to fry fish. So it's the same oil I used to cook the jollof rice. So I got in with the onions, guys. After adding it, I turn it together. So this is the rice I want to use. I added salt and pour hot water inside. Okay guys, as e dey hot, na wife material dey run am. So after I pour the hot water, I have to turn it round. So after I turn it, I cover it for some minutes before washing it. So here is the onions. So I added curry inside, as you can see on this video. After adding curry, I fry it a little before adding the tomatoes. Na wife material dey run now. Come and see wife material. So this is the tomatoes. This tomatoes is tomatoes with onions and blended pepper, all of them inside. English. So I add it inside, I turn it together, as you can see on this video. This is the process you follow to cook your delicious jollof rice. So I use enough tomatoes to cook this, guys. Guys, make sure you like and share this video. So after I add it, this is jollof spices, guys, as you can see. Now jollof spices that you they see here. So everything made everything full inside. So I can add bay leaf. After I add bay leaf, I add one normal maggi inside. And I turn it together. Na wife material, they run a seafood. Come and learn how to cook. They tell you, say, na me be the best cook on this app. Come and learn how to cook. If you want to be a wife material, come to my page. So this is the meat stock, guys. I add it inside. After I add it, I turn it and I added extra water inside, as you can see on this video. Na wife material they run now. If you taste this food, my people, you cut your tongue. Very sweet and delicious. The scent alone, so I added salt inside, as you can see. The scent alone, oh my god, the sweetness, more party jollof rice, delicious one. You know, when they want to cook, they go say party jollof rice and burial jollof rice, which one sweet pass? Now it be this food. So this is the rice. I already wash it. I add it inside, as you can see on this video. See as the rice fine now wife material they run now. Come and learn how to cook if you don't know how to cook. So after I add it, I turn it together as a wife material that I am. Make sure I turn it very well. Una see am so. So guys, as e dey hot, don't forget to follow my page. Don't forget to follow this page, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Watch the video to the end so that you will know how I cook this rice for the beginning to the end, guys. Don't forget to like and comment, guys. If you want to be a wife material, come here. I dey here for you. So guys, as you can see now, the first turn will be that. So after I turn and finish, I have to cover it with paper. No, all of you load this paper now, so I use it to cover it so that the rice can down very well. So after covering it with this paper, you have to load the gas so that it will cook for a low heat. I come back again to come and check the rice. Okay, see rice now. This rice is rice. You see, if you see this rice, the tomatoes catch am well. I don't know why they shine like this. Now the light when they carry smoke go up, now they make it shine like this. If you test them, I see they talk and say, now maybe wife material one on this app. If you want to be a wife material, come to me. I will teach you how to cook any food. If you want to enjoy that village soup, that village food, come to my page. I'm here for you. The only wife material in town. So I added onions. After onions, I added a carrot. You can see I add some carrot inside. So that carrot, I fry it before adding it inside. Come and test this food. I did not use butter on this rice. You can see it, no butter, only oil and the rest things. I did not use butter, and it was very delicious. You know, butter give a different taste. This one still gives the original taste. My god. Okay, guys, after turning it, I have to cover it back to cook again. Just low down the heat of the gas so that it can cook for a low heat, guys. So we are back again to check it. The rice is ready here, guys. Let's turn it together. As you can see, wife material is turning it. See rice now. What do you think about this food? Tell me, what do you think about this food? This food is very yummy and delicious. Bring your plate. Come and have a taste of my food. Come and have a taste of it, guys. The food is ready. Don't forget to like and share. Comment and follow me for my page. Follow me for my channel, guys. My YouTube channel link is on my bio. Please, guys, follow me there. Subscribe. On a wife material, if you want to learn how to cook, make you come here. They here for you. Una see, and the rice done ready now. Seafood. I go chop, my belly go swell up. Guys, share this video. Love you all.